Hi guys, how can you create a modern poster design in Photoshop like this? Go to File New and create a new document with your preferred poster size. Now go to File Place Embedded and insert your main image onto the canvas. Press Ctrl+T to resize and position the image, then press Enter. Select the text tool and add your main title text. Press Ctrl+T, then rotate the text 90 degrees clockwise and position it along the side of the poster. Press Enter to confirm the transformation. Now select the main image layer and press Ctrl+J to create a duplicate copy. Move the copied layer above the original layer. Select the original image layer and add a layer mask. Do the same for text layer also. Make a copy and drag it to the top. Select the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle shape on the canvas. Adjust the corner radius if you want rounded edges. Go to Edit Fill and make sure Contents is selected background color. Press OK. Create a clipping mask of that duplicate image layer. Now select your main text layer and open blending options. Set the fill opacity to 0. Enable stroke, set the position to outside, and choose white as the color. Press OK. Adjust the placement of the text so it fits well in the layout. Add more text for subtitles or a channel name using the text tool. Resize and rotate the text if needed using Ctrl+T. Open the character panel from Window Character to adjust font, spacing, and style. You can choose any font you like to match the modern poster style. Change the color of some text elements to create a nice look. Move and align all elements until the layout looks clean and balanced. Now add a shape of ellipse tool, add small circle around the text, which make a nice look. And that's it. This is how you can create a modern poster design in Photoshop.